Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We're making gluten-free peanut butter cookies. So I've just added vanilla in the bowl, and now I have 1 egg, my peanut butter, brown sugar, and white sugar in the bowl. We're going to mix that up. It comes together very easily, so spatula will do. As you can see, very smooth. I guess we can call it a batter. I'm cleaning my spatulas off there. And that's the finished product of the dough, I guess we would call it. Here I'm bringing in my cookie sheet, which is a large cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and I'm using a cookie scoop. And as you can see, as I scoop the cookie dough, I am smoothing the bottoms out with the spatula in order for my cookies to bake up perfectly round and beautiful, just as they do. And so I'm continuing this process and placing the cookies on the cookie sheet. And so we're going to, so I'll be back as soon as that process is done. So in a minute you'll see me straighten up the cookies on the parchment paper. Just my OCD, it bothered me that the lines weren't straight, and so you see me here moving the cookies around. It made no difference in how they baked, but it bothered me, so I had to make my lines straight. To make my line straight. So now I'm coming in with my fork, and I'm doing the traditional crisscross on the peanut butter cookies, because that's just, you gotta have crisscross on peanut butter cookies. How else are we supposed to know they're peanut butter cookies, right? And so I will finish this process in just a moment. And here I am applying some powdered sugar, and you will see that I leave 6 of the cookies plain. There's no powdered sugar on those. I just want to see what the difference was. So it turns out that there was not a huge difference, but later on I added powdered sugar to the others because I like the powdered sugar. And here we are. Aren't they beautiful? Hi guys, I'm here getting my car serviced, and I wanted to give you guys an update on the cookies. So they turned out really good. Suggestions: make sure that you use your favorite peanut butter brand. You will taste the peanut butter very well in these. They are very moist, and they're actually really good. I will link the recipe, but I did change it a bit. Instead of just using white sugar, I used brown sugar. I used half a cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and I added a half teaspoon of vanilla. But yes, I do like them. Very, very moist and very good. This is actually the next day, and they're still really good. There is another recipe that I want to make that is made with powdered sugar, so I will make that one next as a comparison, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, very good, very good.